Now we will see the last tool of our alignment category, that is move tool. For that, let's create another polygon. Suppose we need to move this polygon to this side, so we have to manually move this. But if you know the exact coordinate of this polygon, any point of the polygon, then we can move to that coordinate value. Let's go to move to, and we can use the method absolute delta directional distance. If we use absolute value, we can use the coordinates, and if we use the directional distance, we need to put minus 7,400 646 meter and move to. Let's move to this location, and we can put some direction here. If we use 45, then it will move to the 45-degree direction and move to. You can experiment with these features to see how it reacts.